I said, where is my child?
I am not with your son. Okay.
Why are you people looking at him?
We are invited to the station for questioning on the recent disappearance of one Mr. Ikedike.
I'm under arrest.
For questioning, because you have to explain to them what you did with my son. Where is my child?
Neka, you really have a death wish.
Hey, are you threatening a citizen in front of an officer of the law?
What are you people standing for? Take him away, let him go and answer, and tell us what he has done with my child.
Mr. Man, please, kindly.